keep it straight line, okay? Yeah. Slowly. Slowly. Okay. Oh, that's it. Yeah. You gotta go up a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah.
That's it.
All right, man. I mean, it's pretty good. You know, IFS. Independent suspension. Got about 19 inches, bro. I want it to go higher. Yeah, for sure.
So, you did it.
Yeah, but man, only 19 inches, man. I thought it was going to be higher.
It's okay. Straight.
All right, guys. So far, all the Broncos has been beaten. Yep. We got 19. Everyone else is getting like
20 plus.
20 plus and 30s. So,
Yeah.
oh well. At least we tried.
Yeah.
Oh crap!
Dang, dude!
Yeah.
That is way up there. You might make the WJ run for his money. Exactly the same.
Woo!
That's a nice field, man.
Yeah.
25.
Right. No. Other way. Yeah, right. Keep it straight line. No. Other side. There.
24.
Yeah. Go. Oh, that's it, man. That's it. Yeah, that thing is lifting. Got you right here. 22.
Wow, this is a cool build right here.
I know, 2 doors.
Oh, this is how our doors is gonna look like from
Yeah.
JCR. Oh wow.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh wow, this is nice. It's nice. Yeah. It's so
Also have some lights on the
I know.
side. That's a nice setup.
I know. Got the backlights on too. Sweet. Wow, if that's JCR, huh? That's gonna be nice. Here's the Wagoneer. It actually,
It's a new one.
yes, the new Wagoneer. It actually looks really nice in person.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen one before. I only seen one in the pictures or in
Like
YouTube.
videos,
Yeah,
yeah.
videos. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, flexi, sexy flexi.
29.
Hold it right there, Rich.
Did I go up higher?
You're pretty close to the same. A little bit more.
Oh,
27? What would it be?
27.
It's
so good.
more.
Oh crap. Oh.
Not over here cheating. He holding the sheet down.
Overachiever!
36.
36. Wow.
What you got, Bronco?
19.
17.
Yes. Yes.
Slowly. Come on up. Slow. All right.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Your tire in the back is lifted. Your tire in the back is lifted. There.
I got all my lockers on.
We have 20? 20? 20. Good job.
Yes. We got 20.
Yeah. It was
Good job, man.
Alright guys, so we're here at Hashino Korean Kitchen. And these are our sauces right here. And these are the sides right there. And there she is right there. So we got the fried squid and the kimchi fried rice. I know. So we now got the half chicken, half Korean chicken right there. Alright guys, so this is still us right here, sandwiched by the Jeeps. And we'll just walk around.